Okay, so here's what I do. I updated my LinkedIn profile so that it showed that I just started a new job. You can do this often, but I only choose to do it every now and then because I have too many contacts and I get too many replies. So when they say congrats on the new job, as you can see over here, Dorothea, congrats on the new job, I have a pre-written script that I copy and paste. So all I do is I click on the next person down the list who says congrats on the new job. I put the cursor in there, Control V and paste it in and send. Now I have a product that's available to anybody worldwide, so I can do this for anybody. And I just continue to go through the list. Some of these looks like I've had a conversation with them, but hey, if the last thing is congrats on the new job, what I'm saying in here is thank you. Would you like to be a customer of mine? Save some money, help save the environment, maybe make a few extra bucks in the process. I would appreciate your support. It would make me look good with the new boss too. After all, it's a necessity product. You use it almost every day of your life. You might as well get the best, have it shipped directly to your door, spend less or nothing at all, right? I can send you a short link or 3, and I changed that from a link or 2 to a link or 3 because I actually am sending 3 links. So I wanted it to be congruent. So let me know what you think. Thanks again, Bruce. Click send. There it is. Now I have, again, like I said, many hundreds to do, and I'll just go through the list. I don't care where they're from. This gentleman is writing in an Asian, probably Chinese, it looks like. That's fine. We'll ship product to anywhere on Earth, and he can enjoy it, get it for free, refer a few people, and maybe even make a few bucks in the process. Very simple process. If you're on LinkedIn, this is the way to attract many people. Ask them for a favor, offer to save them some money, offer to pay them a little bit, something to that effect, and you can get plenty of prospects. I had at least one person join yesterday from just doing this process with no follow-up phone call or anything to that effect. And I have a couple of dozen people who engaged in conversation back and forth. Some of them thought it was hilarious. Some of them thought it was brilliant. One signed up all by herself. I have to give her a call in about 3 hours. And this is what I'll do. And great way to prospect with people you already know. It's a warm-ish market on LinkedIn, depending on how many people you have as contacts. Now, I currently have about 28,400 and some odd number. So here's a thank you from her. She thanked me for sending her the couple of links, right? And so that was my first email. She sent me a congrats. I sent her that reply. She said, can't promise anything, but sure, she'll take a look. I said, okay, great, 54-second intro, then a little bit more info. This one's about 12 minutes. Join for free here. Your first order could be the last paper products you'll ever have to pay for. Thanks, Bruce. Goes and shows you the video. She said, thank you. I'm going to say, you're welcome. And it's just that simple. Then you go on to the next one and continue the process. So I hope you learned a little from this, and happy prospecting on LinkedIn.